Mostly, madam, we can start then.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
we can start.
A very good morning and warm welcome to one and all. On behalf of All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology Pune, I, Ms. Mosmi Vanzare, welcome you all for the national level webinar on NAC related quality enhancement for facing peer team as per report with related to documentation to be delivered by Dr. N.S. Dharmadhikari sir, a renowned educationist in Pune. Organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell of AISSMS IOIT and supported by Indian Society for Technical Education Staff Chapter. I would like to extend our warm welcome to Dr. N.S. Dharmadhikari sir and take this opportunity to introduce sir. Dharmadhikari sir is a renowned educationist. He has completed his MSc, MPhil and PhD in mathematics. He is member of NAC and UGC committee. He is the retired principal and working in education field since last 48 years as principal, director, academic consultant, and educationist. Since last 10 years, he is delivering guidance talks on quality enhancement related to NAC in all over India through webinars and conferences. He is approved as quality advisor by Times of India Campus Technology Bangalore for quality enhancement in India. He is appointed as quality auditor by Kendriya Ayush Mantralaya, New Delhi. He has received prestigious award for extraordinary contribution in higher education from Bharat Shikshan Mandal, Mumbai. He has been invited for international conference at Atlanta, USA. He has also been invited as guest of honor with Honorable Governor at Allahabad. He is ex-member of Senate and Academic Council of Universities in Maharashtra. He is the educationist who delivered talks on ancient Indian mathematics on All India radio and TV channels. He has guided MPhil and PhD students and published research papers in mathematics, ancient and modern mathematics. He has published articles in education in newspapers and magazines in English, Marathi, and Hindi. He has delivered keynote addresses in various state, national, and international conferences. He has been invited for International Vedic Mathematics Conference. We are indeed fortunate to have Dr. N.S. Dharmadhikari for this session today. I welcome Sir once again and request him to start the session. Over to you, sir.
I think he's logged out. He's logging in again. Please wait. Sir, you are on mute.
अरे माझ्याकडनं सगळं ओके हो, तुमचं काहीतरी टेक्निकल प्रॉब्लेम दिसू लागलाय.
नाही, आता आवाज आला सर. तुम्ही अनम्यूट केलं, आता आला.
नाही तो माझ्याकडे ऑटोमॅटिक अनम्यूट होऊ लागलं. काय माझ्याकडे म्यूट होऊ लागलं, तुमच्याकडनं म्यूट होऊ लागलं काय की ऑटोमॅटिक? आता
आवाज येतोय धर्माधिकारी? हो, व्यवस्थित होतोय सर आता.
हा, अगोदर काय तुमच्याकडनंच काय होतं ते काही कळायला मार्ग नाहीये. ओके.
Yes, sir, we can start.
Yes. Introduction.
Yes, sir. I think you were logged out. I'll start once again. A very good morning and warm welcome to one and all. On behalf of All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society's Institute of Information Technology, Pune, I, Ms. Mosmi Vanzare, take this privilege to welcome you all for the national level webinar on NAC-related quality enhancement for facing peer team as per record with related documentation to be delivered by Dr. N.S. Dharmadhikari, a renowned educationist from Pune, organized by Internal Quality Assurance Cell and supported by Indian Society for Technical Education Staff Chapter. I would extend our warm welcome to Dr. Dharmadhikari sir and take this opportunity to introduce sir. Sir is a renowned educationist from Pune. He has completed MSc, MPhil and PhD in mathematics. He is retired principal and working in education field since last 48 years as principal, director and academic consultant educationist. Since last 10 years, he is delivering guidance talks on quality enhancement related to NAC in India through webinars and conferences. He has been appointed as quality advisor by Times of India Campus Technology Bangalore for quality enhancement in India. He has been appointed as quality auditor by Kendriya Ayush Mantralaya, New Delhi. He has received prestigious award for extraordinary contribution in higher education from Bharat Shikshan Mandal, Mumbai. He has been invited for international conference at Atlanta, USA. He has been invited as a guest of honor with Honorable Governor at Allahabad. He is ex-member of Senate and Academic Council of Universities in Maharashtra. As educationist, he has delivered talks on ancient Indian mathematics on All India radio and TV channels. He has been guide for the MPhil and PhD students and published papers in mathematics and ancient and modern mathematics. He has published articles on education in newspapers and magazines in English, Marathi, and Hindi. He has delivered keynote addresses in various state, national, and international conferences and has also been invited for International Vedic Mathematics Conference. We are indeed fortunate, sir, to have you for this webinar. I once again welcome you and request you to start with your session. Over to you, sir.
Okay, thank you very much. Good morning to all participants in this particular national webinar. Actually, all colleges, universities should take such online sessions in ICT technology, not only in Corona period, but all the time. This college, I must congratulate principal and organizing team of this college for arranging such online sessions regarding awareness. Actually, this particular guidance talk is not for but actually to face the thing. And this college have submitted the report, so most of the colleges are getting the report. Whatever is to be done, that will be in a. I tell you that as far as NAC is concerned, CID cube, bracket cube, it is very necessary. When I say CID cube, it is C cube, I cube, and D cube. C cube stands for creativity, consistency, and commitment. I cube stands for innovative activity, involvement of the student, and inspiration given to the student. And D cube stands for dedication, devotion, and dynamism in the college. So all these things, they should be there for facing NAC peer team and for writing report also. You will find that something we communicate, the work will be done. But if communication is done skillfully, the miracles will come and higher grade also it will come. So communication skillfully is the main theme for visiting the peer team in the college, and you are facing to that. Remember that every college has four-sided vision, unending mission, and achievable goals. But you must say to peer team members that achievable goals year-wise during NAC 5 years period, you must have prepared this perspective strategic plan. So every year you have to prepare the plan, implement accordingly 100%. So this type of four-sided vision separately, unending mission separately, and for particular NAC 5 years period, your achievable goals you have completed. In that way you have to project. Remember that NAC future depends upon what you do today innovatively. That is very important. In the NAC procedure, you have to work like banking. In banking, what happens? The concerned clerk does some activity, make a folder, transfer that to manager computer, and manager will send total daily activity to the head office of the bank on the same day. In the similar manner, in the college, when peer team comes to the college, you have to show that whatever activity you have done, you make a folder, you are transferring to IQAC, and from on that day, principal should know pin to point every activity done on the college campus. So that type of online monitoring, academic monitoring system, that should be there. You have to show that. Now, since last 6 months, 1 year, you will find that 4 persons are coming from NAC office. The fourth person is looking for only computer folders of the department, faculties, principal, IQAC. So you have to show that on what date you have performed the activity, on what date you have made a folder of that and transfer to IQAC and related document to as far as NAC is concerned, but you have to give importance to this sentence. When you present something to peer team members, you have to give the importance to this sentence. Each word of this sentence is important from the peer team point of view, and you are communicating to them. That sentence I am telling you, it covers actually all 7 criteria work that you have submitted that report. That sentence will be in this manner: ICT, industry based, outcome oriented, academic performance through collaborations with neighborhood community connect by using technological amplification of learning. So when you are presenting something to peer team member, ICT technology that should come, then industry based activity, not only industry visits, but grants received from some industry, some courses you have designed the syllabi, subject related courses, some business expo, business carnivals, that part is important. And then comes outcome oriented. So every activity that you are telling, maybe the course, maybe subject related social activity, maybe any activity done in the college, you have to tell first of all outcome. If you are not telling, peer team member will ask what is the outcome of that particular thing. So you think that every activity must have outcome, you have to present in that manner. I can give simple example. You might have conducted some blood donation camps during NAC 5 years period and you have written in the report, but you have to explain now. The concerned person will tell that we have conducted blood donation camps and some patients with blood related diseases they are identified and we have made them cure by taking MOU collaboration with any hospital. And if you are not taken, take the certificates from those patients that this college has done for us in curing that particular disease identified in that blood donation camp. So in that manner, that outcome oriented part you must have. Then academic performance, I have told that academic performance does not mean only university result. You might have given in the report your passing percentage, all those things, but actually you have to present. Principal, IQC coordinator must tell of this type that during NAC 5 years period, suppose 500 students have are getting the degree from your college, then you have to tell that some students got on-campus jobs, some students received off-campus jobs, some are self-employed, some are having own self-business, some have gone to foreign studies, some foreign studies or higher studies. In that manner, 90 to 95% students from your college getting the degree must be somewhere engaged or earning money. Only 5% maybe they are sitting in their respective houses without doing anything. So in that way, 90 to 95% academic performance of 5 years NAC period, you have to explain in peer team visit. So remember that. Then you will find that I have written there through collaborations. Collaborations, MOU linkages, I don't know how much you have done it, how much you have written in the report, but collaboration MOU linkages, they should be more in number on international level, national level, maybe state level, district level, and they should be connected with environmental practices, academic practices, some social activity, whatever it may be, that should be more in number. You will find that in IIQA itself, there was one question: is there any foreign collaboration of your college? You might have seen there. If you are having foreign collaboration and if you are writing yes there, then there is no problem. Your grade will be upgraded. So remember that this collaboration MOU, that has very much importance. One more thing, in MOU document, you have to write linkages. So in those linkages, you might have written that, but if not written, you tell to peer team members regarding the linkages. Those are given in framework like student exchange program, faculty exchange program, on-job training, experiential training, then internship. In that manner, you have to give placement related activity. That for that also MOU, coaching for competitive exam, that for that also MOU. So in that manner, you have to tell the linkages with MOUs and which of them are functional MOU. That is also important. So you just keep in mind all these points. So collaboration, that part is important. Then I have told with neighborhood community connect. This neighborhood community connect means NSS, NCC, sports. These persons, they are taking some activities, but now every subject, every department must perform some social activity for the neighboring community. And that type of activity is in this view that all world is going digital, herbal and spiritual. India is also going digital, herbal and spiritual. So every college also must work for digital village, spiritual village in that manner. So you have to study the neighboring community, neighboring village, and every subject related activity. It may be arts college, commerce college, engineering college, medical college, whatever it may be. You must do some social work. You must study some diversities in your community area, in your neighboring area, some diversities, maybe economic diversity, maybe social diversity, maybe some industrial revolution, industrial related some activity. In that manner, you have to study some diversities. You have to adopt some village, neighboring village, study. And for some departments, at least they should work there according to that. There are some funds coming from state government and national government. If you have not done it, you do now also. You can do some activities which are not written in the report. You perform the activities and you tell that after submitting the report, we have initiated those programs. That also will give you more mark. So if you have not done anything, if you have not written in the report whatever I'm telling today, you start in this month before peer team comes to you and you just say accordingly. So all these things are very important with neighborhood community connect. Then I have written by using technological amplification of learning. Now your college is an engineering college. It is not arts commerce college. For engineering college, technology, latest trends of technology, you should give awareness to the student. What technology is in London, what technology is in America, that type of thing you must give in the form of courses, in the form of awareness, in the form of online sessions from foreign experts. In that way, that should be counted. I may tell you that I had been to 11 colleges as peer team members in Tamil Nadu and Kerala some 3-4 years back. I know that all these things can be done with modern touch and latest technologies from time to time. So all these things you keep in mind and remember this sentence when you present something to the peer team member. ICT, industry based, outcome oriented, academic performance through collaborations with neighborhood community connect by using technological amplification of learning. Remember that nowadays quality is playing an important role. Quality is like a quality vector. As in physics, you are having vector concept, having magnitude and direction. Similarly, NAC requires quality vector. That quality vector has the magnitude of the qualities of the college and direction that I am giving. In that way, you have to present. So this quality vector, in fact, it is a quality card like Paytm card, ATM card. In that way, it should be quality card. Everybody must have a password of that type. So all these things you keep in mind. I may tell in Hindi one शेर और शायरी शेर to understand that अब हवाएं करेगी रोशनी का फैसला जिस कॉलेज में अब हवाएं करेगी रोशनी का फैसला जिस दिए में जान है वही जलेगा जिस दिए में जान है वही जलेगा आई से अकॉर्डिंगली नाउ अब नैक ग्रेड कॉलेज अब नैक ग्रेड करेगा कॉलेज का फैसला जिस कॉलेज में क्वालिटी है वही चलेगा बाकी सब कॉलेजेस बंद हो जाएगी You may be knowing that in coming new education policy in 2022, those colleges having 2.50 grade, they will be there. Otherwise, they will be other colleges, they will be shut down. They will be given one chance and you have to upgrade your college about 2.50. There are so many new systems are coming in new education policy. There is no barrier of faculty of arts, science, commerce, engineering, medical in that manner. You are having only BLE and BLA type degrees. I was a member of subcommittee of that new education policy. BLE, that degree stands for Bachelor of Liberal Education, and BLA, it stands for Bachelor of Liberal Arts. So student can take one subject as chemistry, another subject as music, and third subject as economics also. So remember that there is no barrier of faculties in new education policy. One body, Higher Education Commission of India, through that only it will work. All your AICT, UGC, they will not be there. So you think in that manner, and quality, that is very important. I read recently one book of one thinker, Noval Harare. He has written one book, 21 Lessons for 21st Century. And in that book, he has written that clarity and quality, they are the powers of this 21st century. So same clarity and quality, they are required by NAC in writing the report and in facing the peer team members. Remember that some of the participants, they may be afraid of NAC. Do not be afraid of NAC. I am telling you, it is simple procedure. In this way, it is NAC peer team that later comes to the principal, peer. Then comes fear in mind. What will happen? They will come to your college, they will be near to your college. And when they leave the college, they will be dear. Why dear? Because they have only sugar coated language. Whatever report you are having, that report they will give, grade also they will give, but the language will be only sugar coated language. So remember that this peer, fear, near, dear, that is the complete procedure for NAC, provided in the bracket you are showing proper reasons. You are telling to the peer team members justifiable reasons. Evidences that you are showing, they should be, which are given in SOP, standard operating procedure, given on NAC website. According to that, only the evidence should be kept. Otherwise, you will show any other evidence that will not be taken. In general, evidences should be of this type: notice of the principal for that activity, list of participants with signature, outcome of that activity, geotag photos, video clips, somewhere paper news cuttings, all these things, they are compulsorily, they should be noted. So all these things you keep in mind and go accordingly for that purpose. As far as NAC is concerned, I am telling you, two words are important. First word I am telling you, everybody should be smart in facing the peer team. When I say he or she should be smart, that smartness does not depend upon the clothes or your language. You must be smart in this particular way. S stands for specific. How much specific you are in telling, in communicating to the peer team members. Do not tell different activities are done. Do not tell various activities are done. You should be perfect. You know that in 5 years you have done 40 activities, 100 activities. So just say that 40 activities are done, 100 courses are done in that manner. Do not say any vague word of this type, some different, about, various, in that manner. Keep in mind, do not say anywhere not done. That is also there. If you are not done, if you are not written in the report, then you initiate that and you say that it is not in the report, but we have initiated in last month or recent time. So everywhere in the report or in communication, not should not come. Everywhere affirmative, positive, that language should come. So this smartness, you must have. S means specific. Then comes M. M stands for measurable. When I say measurable, you will find that after getting the appointment in the college, principal and management are always measuring you, whether you are for the development of the college, development of the student. That type of measurement is going on. Even I can say that if you want to teach in the class for 45 minutes, if you prepare at home very well, you teach also very well. But if your preparation is not good, then you just teach for 10 to 15 minutes and then start chit chatting with the student, and then student will measure you, and student will think that this teacher is outdated teacher, he is not updated teacher. You should be updated in each and every activity and communication also. So this part of measurable part, you just keep in mind. In smart, then comes A, achievable. You have to tell to peer team members achievable part of the college, of yourself, and student centric activities, what things you have achieved in last 5 years. So that achievable part is very important. In smart, then comes R. That R stands for relevant. How much relevant you are, that should come in your communication. What type of softwares you are using, what type of latest computer technology you are using, that should come in your communication, in your presentation also. PPT presentation and in communication also. So all these things you keep in mind and go accordingly with relevancy. Quality initiatives that you have taken in the last period, enhancement you have done, and sustenance you are going to take. In that manner you have to develop. Then in smart, it comes T. That T stands for time bound. When I say time bound, it has in time and to the point, these two words. So whenever presentation is there, whenever some time limit is there, you follow that particular time limit. That is very important. You make a practice of that. So this smart concept, you have to go in that way in presenting yourself and college to the peer team members. The second word that I want to tell, very necessary for facing peer team, that word is pride. Pride means it is professional pride. That P stands for positive working environment in the college. When I say positive working environment, I may tell you one thing. If peer team members are in the college campus, two students or two faculty members on the ground of the college, they are looking to the mobile, they are speaking loudly, that picture should not be seen. Remember that. Even in peer team members are sitting in principal's room, principal calls you somebody, then you should go there within 2 to 5 minutes. Otherwise, they will think what is the relation between principal and staff. So this positive working environment that should be reflected in presence of peer team members. In pride, then comes R. That R stands for recognizing everyone's effort. You might have prepared encouragement and welfare scheme document you have given in SSR report, but while taking the lunch on first day, peer team members will ask to principal and management also, what are your encouragement and welfare schemes for students and for faculties? You have to tell very elaborately and nicely. So that particular recognizing everyone's effort is important. In pride, then comes I. I stands for involvement of everyone. That is tested by peer team members. I was a peer team member in a college in Orissa some 5 years back, and I asked to that faculty member, what contribution you have done in sending this report to NAC office? That faculty member told me 5 years back in that college that I have not done anything, principal and coordinator have done it. Do not tell every staff member. I want to tell, you tell that you have done this thing, you have done that thing, something you just remember in that manner, some activities you have done innovatively, that also you have to tell. So that involvement of everyone, that is tested, you keep sure that you are telling in that manner. Then in pride it comes D. D stands for development of skill and potential. In your presentation, skill potentials are developed. You have to say accordingly, and you have to show the evidences also. In pride, then comes E. That E stands for effective evaluation, feedback, and placement. In presentation, in communication, in PPT, you give importance to this effective evaluation procedure of the college. Do not tell about university. In the report also, most of the colleges, they write university evaluation method. That is not needed. That should be given in 2-3 sentences. Internal evaluation methods, continuous internal evaluation reforms of the college, evaluation of learning outcomes, program outcomes, course outcomes. In that way, you have to project to them in that manner. So remember that this evaluation procedure you have to explain very nicely with online tests, ICT technology, that also you have to explain. You might have written in the report. Then feedback. You must give stress upon feedback. Now feedback should be taken by every department on syllabi from student, teacher, alumni and parent. And that report should be given to IQAC. You might have done it. IQAC must have analysis team, and after analysis, they should have given the report to principal. Principal should send that report to affiliated university in this manner, that in electronics this chapter is needed, in suppose civil engineering this chapter is needed. In that manner, you have to give report to the university of syllabi. Better to add this. They may do or may not do, but you can say that feedback collected from the department, analysis done by IQAC, and improving measures are taken by the principal. In that way, you have to project. Remember that. So this feedback system is, you have to explain very nicely. And last one is effective evaluation, feedback, and placement. I told placement related activity, that is very important. I know that in villages, Tata, Ambani, Birla, or any businessman will not go for giving appointment. In Pune, Bombay, it is all right. But in villages, this businessmen will not go for giving appointment. So on campus job placement, they will not be more. But what is NAC requirement? Efforts for placement and coaching for competitive exam, how much you have done extensively every year, that you have to explain. So remember all these things in that particular pride concept: positive working environment, recognizing everyone's effort, involvement of everyone, development of skill and potential, and effective evaluation, feedback, and placement. So all these things you keep in mind, these two words, smart and pride, all the time. Another thing I want to tell, in facing peer team, you must have 3 senses also. Which are 3 senses? First sense is sense of reasoning. How much justifiable reason you are giving, that is very important. sense of reasoning. Then sense of proportion. In sense of proportion, when I say in talking, you must have that sense of proportion. You may be knowing two words, knowledge and wisdom. In fact, I may tell you that knowledge is required to everybody for what to write, what to speak. And wisdom is required for what not to write and what not to speak. One more thing I will tell you, skill and potential is also required, and that is for how much to write and how much to speak. Now, writing part you have done, you have sent the report. Now, speaking part is there. So you just think in this manner and speak to the peer team members in that way. After some time, I shall give all tips to tell to the peer team members in what manner in that way. So remember this sense of reasoning, sense of proportion, that is very important. And third one is sense of priority. In presenting anything, priority should be given to NAC 5 core values. Which are they? First one is national development. Whatever things are going in the nation or on state level, have you done some activity in your college during that time? That is very important. National developmental part may be academic, maybe social, maybe technological, whatever it may be. Mangalyaan, Chandrayaan was there. At that time, college must have done some activity related to that. Yours is engineering college. If some other colleges are there, GST was implemented. So have you done something related to GST? What are the merits and demerits? What are the calculating procedures in that way, in the form of courses, in the form of awareness lectures? In that way, national development part should come in the college. Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao program was there. Article 370 removal was there recently. So all such things, they should come, they should be projected in the college to the student, awareness to student and to neighboring community also. So remember all these things very well that I am telling you, say national development. Then comes global competency. In your projection, in your presentation, you must have global competency part. Everybody says that think globally and act locally. But your talking is in one direction and walking is in another direction. Think globally means have you done the activities in that way? Have you done any course, online course, which is useful for foreign appointment? Maybe in UNO, maybe in World Bank, whatever it means, foreign bank. So that type of online courses, that type of new technology courses, you must develop to think globally in that way and act locally. You should make in practice. Then say third core value, it is quest of excellence. In the college, it should be seen quality initiatives that you have taken, quality enhancement you have done, and quality sustenance. All these things, they are very important. You will find that after getting first grade, every college has to submit AQR. And most of the colleges, they are submitting AQR with the same thing. Last year, 100 computers in the college. This year, AQR also 100 computers. There should be increase everywhere, enhancement everywhere. Remember that. Now there is cross verification of AQR that you have sent and SSR or RAR that you are sending. So all these things you keep in mind. So you'll find that this quest of excellence you must have in your presentation. Then third is using modern technology. I shall tell you what type of technology is there. You might be using that, but I shall give that part after some time in detail. And last one is code of conduct, core values of the college. So these are the 5 principles, core values of NAC: national development, global competency, quest of excellence, using modern technology, and code of conduct, core values for teachers, for students, everybody. You have to prepare the document of code of conduct. You have to put on college website, and you have to give awareness also to the student and faculties from time to time. That is given in this new framework. So you, if you are not prepared the record, prepare such record of awareness given in last 5 years, at least yearly 2 to 3 times. Whatever you have not done, that I am telling you, you prepare that type of record with principal signature in that way. So all these things you keep in mind for presenting that in sense of reasoning, sense of proportion, and sense of priority. Whatever I am telling you, you will find that the situation as far as NAC is concerned in new methodology, it is educationally do or die, do not ask why. Simple. Most of the colleges, they are receiving lower grade. A grade colleges, they are getting B grade. Some colleges have got rejection of the report also because of irrelevant answers, and heavy penalty charged to them for resubmission. Some principals came to me to Pune in my residence telling me that. There are so many reasons for rejection of the report that I don't tell here, but all these things you keep in mind and you present yourself in that manner. You will find that there is a tendency, general tendency of taking easy. Do not take this NAC procedure easy, but make it easy by whatever I am telling to you. Remember that. Do not take it easy. You must have good practice of your PPTs, presentations, and interaction with them. Without looking, suppose you are presenting PPT to PRT members, then do not look to the computer and read that. The presenter should be operator. He should operate. Don't take another operator there, next, back, in that way, that gives poor show and that will affect the grade also. So every presenter should be, operator should be presenter, same one person only, even principal also. Do not take any other for help, that gives bad impression, and you should be perfect whatever you are telling. You do not read the sentences on the screen. You must know all the sentences in your mind and you must tell accordingly. So all these things I am telling you, you keep in mind very well and present yourself in that manner. You will find that as far as presentation is concerned, now I'm not telling regarding report writing and all those parts. I'm deleting because of this theme of the webinar. Now, particularly in SSR, you might have seen if there are some no, not, nil, not done in that way, something is there, you should prepare the justification for that. Actually, there should not be such words in your report that this is not done, or some percentages asked somewhere, some figures are asked, daily users in the library, 2%, 4%. It should be in fact 25%, 50%. In that manner you must have. So remember all these things very well, and accordingly you have to just present all these things. So whenever no, not, nil, all these parts are there, you have to make it yes. But if you are written in the report, no problem. You just try to see justification, write on a piece of paper in all questions wherever you are written no, not, nil, or number percentage is 2%, 5%, 3, 4 numbers, then why it is 3, 4, and recently you have increased that, you have done those activities more, you must show that. So wherever you are writing in quantitative metric, low number, lower percentage, you increase in these 2 months those activities, and you say that at that time they were less in number, but now we have increased to 25, 50, 40 in that manner. So that should be there. So remember all this in that manner. In qualitative metric also, teaching learning document, then curriculum delivery document, all documents 500 words and 1000 words you might have written, but those qualitative documents, they should be written with quality English. He is going in that manner, but they should have some type of quality inclination. If you are not written, then you must tell in your presentation such type of sentences, and do not repeat also the sentence. Principal is telling same sentence, other department is telling same sentence. You should have a meeting that some sentences they are fixed to some persons and they will only speak. Otherwise, repetition means in Marathi we call popat panchi, that also cannot be seen. So remember that quality inclined English, quality inclined communication, that should be there by every faculty member, principal and IQC coordinator. I shall give some sentences. You remember these sentences, and similar sentences also you prepare in your meeting. Some sentences I will tell in this way, that all our faculty members are involved in training the brains of the student for their placement gain and overall development of the college. Somebody may say in this way, after the last NAC, our college is marching towards excellence in all possible quality ways, and latest technology is coming from time to time. College must be made digital every year. Institutional repository should be there. Who is principal, number of books, number of computers, everything should be there in that digital college. Somebody should say that we have made college digital because this is the place where our past meets our present for our better future, and we work accordingly. You may be telling somewhere that green practices you are doing, NSS may be doing tree plantation. Do not say plantation now. Plantation and preservation is important. 100 planted, but how many are preserved? That is very important. So you have to tell preservation also. Green practices, energy audit, you might have done it. Somebody who is doing that, he should say that we are performing green practices in the college to nurture the nature for our future. To nurture the nature for our future. How is the sentence? In that manner, you have to project yourself with quality. Remember all these things very well in presentation in that way. You will find that student centric activity you must say all the time. Then placement related activity you should have in that manner. Then you must have competitive exam guidance, how much efforts every department can tell, principal in consultation they can tell. Then subject related social activity every department must take, and it should come in IQAC total number, totality for community and for student also. And everywhere you have to express outcomes in that manner. Remember one thing, courses you might have taken, subject related courses, electronic department, computer department, for engineering I am telling you. So all these courses, they should be innovative courses. They should be job oriented courses, need based courses, neighboring industry related skills, they should be there. You must have value added courses, soft skill development courses, job oriented, online, offline, given by agency also some courses. Some courses must be designed, syllabus must be designed by your department also. Online, that on-job training it must have courses, experimental training also it must have. All these things you must have in your presentation. And you must tell one thing, that college is having online academic monitoring system. Every day activity done, made in a folder is made, transferred to IQAC. And on the same day, at the end of the day, principal computer has pin to point every activity done on that day. That type of thing you must show that. All these things are there. Then using e-learning resources and softwares, every department must have. College must have PPT bank, video bank, digital question bank. This digital question bank for competitive exam guidance, that should be there. If you are having it is well and good. How many competitive exam guidance exams you have taken during 5 years? Every year it must be 3 to 4 number. That should be there. It may be for SETNET, GRE, TOEFL, some entrance exams on state level, national level, international level, something of that type. And every month you must have some type of this type, GRE, TOEFL, some good examinations in that way, general knowledge test. And one test, if you are not conducted previously, you are not shown in the report, you conduct this month and next month before peer team comes to you. Adopt this procedure that I am telling you. That you put 10 questions and 10 answers every day on the college notice board. So in every month, they will have 300 questions and 300 answers also. And you take on first day of every month, one test, taking 50 questions out of that, those questions they are given to the student. So you will find that that will be beneficial. So on first day of every month, this simple test of the answers given to them, and on 10th of every month maybe for GRE, TOEFL or any national, international level entrance exam. So such activities, they should be more in number. How much you have done, again you do for these 2 months, that is very important, that I am telling you. Your campus should be digital campus, remember that. When I say digital campus, your college is engineering college, but in arts, commerce, science college also, digital campus should be there. All trees in the college, they must have one QR code on each tree. That should be with QR code, and that QR code will give botanical name, this current name in that way, and information about that. Some rare plants in your campus, that should be there. Some electronic technology you must use in your college campus, digital college campus, it should be shown. So all these things you must have in the college campus also. Before, it may be any college, arts college, engineering college, whatever it may be, some medicinal garden you must prepare. Though botany department is not there in your college, one medicinal garden for community awareness you must prepare that. I have seen some engineering colleges, they are having such type of medicinal garden and ornamental garden also. And in medicinal garden, they are having talking plants. Electronic use is done. Suppose some aloe vera tree is there, one underground wiring is done. PRT members are sitting on that, standing on that particular before that tree. That aloe vera tree will speak that I am aloe vera tree. I am useful for this disease. In that way, some talking trees, they are created in that medicinal garden. That will create good impression. Some innovative ideas you must have in your college campus. Not common way. Earlier methodology, earlier NAC you have done in common ways, but some innovativeness that should be there in your college, that you must remember. You will find that these courses, they must have self-employment, that is there. I am telling you some names of the courses of this type. like corporate social responsibility. You must have such course of that type. Then network security, yours is engineering department, cyber crime, ethical hacking, e-training modules, sustainable development, corporate social responsibility, soft skill management, point-to-point topology, applications, cloud computing related, Python language, big data, Hadoop software, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence related to all of them you must have. Some industry guided projects you must have, industry guided projects, internet banking, all types of internet banking, risk management, banking, all these new technologies for awareness to the student in the form of courses, and for community also you must take all these things. When I am saying all these things, you keep in mind, as far as your engineering section is concerned, security in online services, that is very important. Supply chain management, it has importance. Then VLSI, PCB designing, for civil department, structural designing, that is important. Structural audit course, that is important. Process simulation, different types of softwares you are using, those softwares you must use. Software testing courses, they are there online, or this IoT based some system you can develop. I have seen one good college in Delhi, they have prepared IoT based ration card system in the college for students. They have created some smart city garbage in Delhi college, management software system with IoT. So you can have, being engineering college, you must have something special in that way. As far as ICT technology is concerned, I don't know how much thing you have written in your report, but I am telling all the things. Apart from your subject related, electronics related, computer related, civil engineering related softwares, all these softwares also can be used in all colleges. Maybe arts college, maybe engineering college, maybe pharmacy college, any. I am telling in general, totality in this way. You will find that open education resources like Swayam, e-Pathshala, e-Adhyayan, e-School, MOOC courses, they should be taken. Moodle, Socrative, edmodo, fog computing, FUS, FUSS, FOSS, free open source software, Prezi technology, Ruby, Linux, Maya, Flash, XAMP, LAMP, Raspberry Pi, Teno, TestU, flipped classrooms, Selenium, TeamViewer, vMedulife, Dreamviewer, eYantra, eKalpa, blockchain technology you have to use, Presentation Tube, FileZilla, virtual learning platforms, mobile learning platforms, virtual labs you have to create. In arts, commerce also it is needed. One Amrita virtual learning laboratory is there in Chennai. They have created Amrita virtual learning platform, so you can register and you can use, or you create by your own also. Yours is engineering college, that's why I'm telling you, you must create some soundcloud.com. You must create some own cloud system in your campus in that manner. Solo learning, cancel.com, DigiLocker type, Dropbox, LabVIEW, NetBeans, Libra, blended learning, 3D printing technology, slide sharing technology, Google Slides, virtual learning environment you have to create, robo related some technology you have to develop. Drone, use of drone also can be taken in the college. I have seen that drone also can be used for agriculture purpose, application to community, neighboring community, you can use drone in that manner. I told you that artificial intelligence, IoT, big data, Hadoop, Python, in that way you must have all the online courses also. There are some agencies online also and offline also, some agencies. So you must take some online courses, offline courses in that manner. As far as cloud computing is concerned, there are 4 types. You may be knowing that: public cloud computing, private cloud computing, community cloud computing, and hybrid cloud computing. Use at least 1 or 2 out of that. There are 4 types of main softwares in cloud computing: IaaS, infrastructure as a source; PaaS, platform as a source; SaaS, software as a source; HAAS, hardware as a source. Now, being engineering department, every department must use cloud computing in one form or the other form. Remember that. So all these things I am telling you, you must have. This art, science, commerce softwares I am not telling here. This science related, some science lab software is there, FactXZ is there, then GeoGebra, LaTeX, Mathematica, ChemDraw, PyMol, BKChem, Mercury, ChemSketch, Spectrophotometer, XRD, Rigaku, Minilab, all these softwares are there. For commerce or accounting, You may be having so many softwares, taxable, tax-based, ERP9, RDMS, XCRO, OX also. So many things are there. So remember that all these things, they should come in your presentation, in your report also. E-governance and e-communication, that part is very important. The college is having LMS, learning management system, you have to explain, management information system, and ERP, enterprise resource planning also. You have to explain that. Principal should say in his presentation that there are 1000 videos in the college by different departments. When I say in that video bank, when I say videos, 1000, that is not much figure. 1000 videos in 5 years, I am telling. That means 200 videos per year of NAC period. That means if 10 departments are there, only 20 videos per department it will come. So such type of subject related teaching videos you can have. Expert guidance talks, you are having industry expert, academic expert. In that way, you can have some video clips, some interactive sessions, webinars you are taking on college level, maybe national, international webinar on general topic, and department level also. If industry expert is coming to the college through seminar giving talk or through webinar giving talk, then after that half an hour interactive session with the student, that should be there, and video clip of that is to be taken. So all these things are necessary. In teaching learning procedure, that document you might have written, there you are having experiential teaching, participative reading and teaching, and problem-based teaching. In problem-based, class test, surprise test, those will be there, but online test and MCQ quiz competitions, ICT technology tests you must take. In experimental, you must have experimental training on the college campus by some business expo, business carnivals, or such type of thing you must have. Practicals are there, industry visits are there, those will come under experimental training. But apart from that, you must have something else. You must have some collaboration MOU with neighboring industry or neighboring some business in this manner, that they are giving some engagement, they are giving some courses also to get appointments in their industry. You must develop according to that. Some grants, consultative projects also should be taken by some departments. If you are not having, that should be more in number. You try for this one in this 1 month, and some at least 40-50% department must have some consultative projects or some grants from neighboring industry, from government agency, UGC, elsewhere you may be having, from government agency, non-government agency, but from neighboring industry, neighboring some business sector, you must have some type of that type for the development of the college. You might have given some best practices. I may tell you that if you are not given it, you can have internet banking as the best practice in neighboring community. All types of that you can have in that way, innovative practice now also. If you are given some other best practice, 2 best practices you are given. I don't know which you are given. And second best practice also you must give, you might have given, but actually I don't know. But you can work for that also in this month also, that it is industrial revolution in your neighboring area and corresponding job placement. So how many industries are there in your neighboring area? You can study, you can have skill potential required and make a course for that type. So in that way, you have to develop the neighboring industry, neighboring community in that way. So all these things I am telling you, remember that. One more thing I am telling you. Actually, yours is engineering college. Every class may be of that type. But in arts, commerce, science colleges also, in every college, some classrooms will be there in this way. 50-25 computers in LAN, they are there. And every teacher must take at least 1 period in 1 month in that class. After teaching for 1 hour, he will give 2 to 3 questions. The student will write on their respective computers. Teacher will see the answers going from computer to computer, and video clip of that is taken. And that is known as participative e-learning is done in the college. Very important. It should be there. If you're not done, do it. One more thing, there should be one hall, one media hall or audiovisual room in the college, maybe in library or maybe elsewhere. You must download subject related videos, some useful for community also, some videos, and you can, after downloading, you can show periodically videos to students and to community also. Regarding solar eclipse, lunar eclipse, Mangalyaan, Chandrayaan, you can have any technical activity, social activity also you can show. So remember, all these things, they should be done in the college campus. One more thing I am telling you, that as I told you, video bank, PPT bank should be there. PPT is prepared by the student. Lot of PPT. Then digital question bank. In fact, every department should submit a some digital questions to a committee. That committee I call generally in my talk when I give guidance talk for writing the report. I give committee name core committee. That core means center of relevance and excellence. And that center of relevance and excellence, it has name itself indicates it has quality. And that committee will work for efforts for placement and coaching for competitive exam. Every department will give questions to that in that question bank, and they will work monthly, as I told you earlier, for general knowledge tests accordingly. In that media room or audiovisual room, you must have names of the department. One committee can be prepared with the help of this media. That committee name I suggest in my talk, that is SMILE committee. When I say SMILE, it is Social Media International Learning Education. Social Media International Learning Education. And that SMILE committee members will sit in that audiovisual room or media room where names of the departments are written. Electronics, computer, civil, mechanical, all these departments, nameplates are there. And below that, how many softwares they are using, number of softwares, PPT bank total 100, video bank total 250. In that manner, that number should be there, and that is consolidated by principal in his presentation. One more thing I want to tell, that whatever principal's presentation is there, everybody should see principal's presentation. Because what happens, principal says that there are 100 computers in the college. Then some student will say 50 computers. Some teacher will say there are 80 computers. In that manner, that will be there. So I can suggest you prepare now only. According to your SSR you have sent, you prepare one KYC. Actually, KYC is needed in bank, but you can prepare KYC as Know Your College. That will be very useful for you. In that Know Your College document, who is principal, how many subject, teachers, number of books, number of computers, what is the activities you are doing, mentor-mentee system, slow learner, advanced learner system, everything you have to explain there. Because in student interaction, in parent interaction, if something is asked by peer members, they will say, no, this thing is not there, even though it is there. So you prepare such KYC document, and you take orientation program of parent, alumni, students, everybody, faculties also, and see the total figures in that manner and activities in that way. I can tell to the principal that this mentor-mentee system and slow learner, advanced learner system, do not say only in these words. You have to explain that very nicely in this manner, that every year we are performing mentor-mentee system after the admissions are over. If 300 students are there in some faculty, 10 teachers are teaching, 1:30 is the ratio, and the notice will be given to the by the principal that mentor-mentee system will work in this academic year as follows. In August, career counseling; in September, academic counseling; in October, efforts for placement; in November, coaching for competitive exam; in December, some industry related guidance talk. In that manner, all things are consolidated. And I told you the evidences should be in this manner: notice by the principal, list of participants with signature, outcome of that activity, geotag photos, video clips, in that way. So everything should be in that manner. I shall tell you in the last the main points to be taken by PPT by IQC, PPT by principal, and PPT by department also. I shall tell that also in the last. So you must stick up to all the points here in that manner. So whatever I'm telling you, do not forget any point in that way. E-communication, when I say that e-communication, e-governance is there in library, accounts, exam, whatever it may be there, e-governance that should be there, paperless, you know that better. And e-communication should be there from principal to staff, and staff to student also, teacher wise, class wise. Any system you must have without WhatsApp, Facebook in that way. Do not use WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram in that way. Now there are some problems with Twitter and WhatsApp. They are going to be closed in India, shut down. So that will be a problem. No evidence can be shown. So you just generate email generated system. And that email communication in the form of Google group, email group, or own cloud, whatever it may be, QR code, Google Classroom, you can have. And every month, remember, the counting should be in this manner. Every month, 10 communications by principal to staff, vice versa, and teacher wise, class wise, vice versa. Every month, 10 communications. Maybe study material, maybe videos, maybe some question answers. as you are doing on WhatsApp, same thing should be shown in evidences. So that will give e-communication idea, e-governance idea in the college. In the college infrastructure, that should be very perfect. You will find that you might have written everything now in report. You might have written, I have not seen that. There is one question, how many classrooms are there in the college? Suppose, for example, you have written 100 classrooms are there. Thereafter, one question is there, how many are ICT enabled? Most of the colleges, they write only 5 or 10. That means that percentage will go 5%, 10%. In fact, it should be above 50%. 50%, 75%, 80%, even 100%. ICT enabled classrooms are there. Some are having Wi-Fi, some are having smart board, interactive board, LCDs in that manner. The nature of upgradation you have to show. Principal should say in 5 years, nature of upgradation in infrastructure with date and what type of upgradation you have done. Otherwise, last year 50 computers, this year also 50 computers, that will not work. Internet bandwidth also should be increased. Maintenance policy you have to explain very nicely. So all these concepts you have to be sure that everything is coming in proper words and proper thing. I check all the documents in most of the colleges. In fact, I have visited as peer member to 80 colleges in India. Out of that, after that, I have given these 900 plus guidance talks in all India, and some 500 to 600 colleges. I have taken monitoring of them, taking the documents, going for their mock visit also, preparing PPTs as per their SSR. Everything I have done. Even likely questions also I shall give. What type of questions are asked in that manner in that mock visit? So everything will be perfect. And in most of the colleges, they are getting A plus, and even some colleges got A double plus grade also. So that can be done. If your planning is high, your NAC grade definitely will be in the sky. Remember that. So you should work accordingly in that manner. In library also, remember, full automation should be there. In library, e-resource corner, e-competition corner, and reading room, that should be there. Different. Daily user should be more. Then in library, Delnet, InfluNet, one of just useful thing. You show Sindhu, you show Ganga, Easy Life, Web OPAC, Digital Media Library, Online Database System, National Knowledge Network Connectivity, RFID, Radio Frequency Identification Device, some softwares of the type Kibo, Kindle, Koha, Kiosk, Libman, National Digital Library Access, Braille Lipi related some softwares, library related some Android mobile applications, scanners, footfalls, electronic system is there for daily users. Footfalls, e-audio books, e-video books, talking books, they should be there. One activity I shall tell to brain, one e-brain activity. If you have not done up till now, do for this month, in this month, librarian can do it. What is that e-brain activity? Very simple. You just give some 40, 50 students some general book, scientist book, general book to them. While returning the book, they will write on a piece of paper, name of the student, class of the student, name of the book, author of the book, and opinion about the book. That is book reading and information network, e-brain activity. With those papers, you make a folder in your library computer, transfer it to your college website, give the name e-brain activity. One more, on college website, you can create e-magazine. This annual magazine is not having importance now. Everybody in earlier methodology, in every college, some magazine is given to peer team members. This is our magazine. That has no importance now. One e-magazine should be there on college website every year. What type of that activity? In every academic year, every department must have wall magazine at the entrance. And on that wall magazine, current related activity, awareness related activity, some latest technology activities with QR code, that should be there. All department, they have suppose 20-25 wall magazines. Out of that selected part, Mangalyaan Chandrayaan was there, GST was there, whatever may be the activity. And selected part at that particular time it is taken, that should be projected, and that should be consolidated in 1 year magazine. That is known as e-magazine, taken on college website. So when peer team members are coming to your college, they will have a mindset. Before coming to your college, they will look to your website. Array, e-magazine is there. Array, e-brain activity is there. One more, you can have learning management system at your college name, AISSM. Learning management system, LMS @AISSM. And in that, all technology, ICT based part that you can have there. So they will look to that and their mindset will be developed. You are driving a car in the bazaar. In the similar manner, you have to drive the mindset of peer team members from their respective houses to your college. When they reach your college, they must have a mindset, "Arey, this is of A plus and A plus grade college." That mindset you have to develop earlier from your college website and your report also. In library, you must have some ILL, interlibrary loan service also. Mobile library concept you can have. Now, if you are not done, you can do now also this month. You say that we have initiated these new programs after submission. This mobile library concept means some 10, 20 students, they are given some books, and in neighboring flats, in neighboring community, in 8 days, that those books are given and returned in that manner. That register is maintained. Mobile library. One pamphlet you can have free use of the library one day for 2 hours. Neighboring citizens, senior citizen, women can use the library. You prepare now, doesn't matter. Free use of library. One day only for 2 hours on Saturday. You can have best user award also. User orientation program should be taken with computer department for by this library. Earn and learn scheme that will be effective. Yearly expenditure, how much you are taken, I don't know, but yearly expenditure should be shown on library books, journals, subscriptions in that way. ICT applied messages should be used by librarian. Repository should be there. In the library also, you are having books there, nameplates, names should be given innovatively. Do not write electronics in the word. You can write electronical some figure in that way. I tell to commerce colleges, you can have Bombay Stock Exchange building for commerce. You can have for economics a rupee picture in that manner. For chemistry, you can have burette pipette picture. Animated something innovative you must have in the library for each and every rack. At the entrance of the library, you must have e-resource corner, one arrow, e-competition corner, another arrow, and reading room, third arrow. At the entrance of the library, I don't know the situation, but when peer team members enters your library, you should have one Ranganathan photo with his 5 principles. Good photo with 5 principles written on that, and one plaster of Paris book you can keep on the table. Plaster of Paris book with pen and one hand in that manner. So that particular atmosphere of library should be kept in that way. By looking to college campus, I can give more ideas in that manner. Remember that. So innovatively everything is done. Cloud campus you can create in that way. Audio resource library also you can have. I am telling you often that latest technology is very important. Wi-Fi everybody knows. Li-Fi is also there. Light fidelity. If 2 laptops are there, one light is thrown on one laptop, the information goes to another laptop. That Li-Fi, some department can use. That principal should say that not only Wi-Fi, but we are using Li-Fi also, light fidelity. Everybody knows computers in LAN, they are there, but in MAN also, metropolitan area network, in WAN, wide area network, in VPN, virtual private network for distance learning. Some departments may use now. If you are not written in the report, use now. Take in principal's presentation. We have initiated all these programs after the submission of report. That will also give you good mark. Then there is one concept of e-green computing. I don't know whether you have done it or not. E-green computing for e-waste material it is done. It is useful for global warming also, to reduce, to recycle and to reuse. That e-green computing courses are there. Some awareness, some programs are there. On internet that matter is there. There is one science, one technology, not nanotechnology I am taking. I am telling that science, it is cognitive science. If you have taken some awareness lecture, some course of that type, it is well and good. Otherwise, now only you can take. On internet, it is there, cognitive science, latest technology. There are some experts in India and foreign giving online sessions, coming to your college also. This cognitive science takes care of 5 subjects. 5 subject combination is that cognitive science. Which are the subject? It has artificial intelligence, neuroscience, anthropology, philosophy, and psychology. So interdisciplinary project can be taken with this. So this e-green computing, cognitive science, some latest technology that you have to take all the time. Remember, whenever I am saying that, you should keep in mind that something new. If neighboring college is doing something, you can do. But if neighboring college cannot do, then you must do. In that way, you have to go. You have to present your PPT in that way. Now, I shall read one document I prepared. That document is having name Preparation Before NAC Peer Team Visit. I shall read the document in this manner. Display in principal's room and IQC room some quality related statement. Principal and IQC room that should be with every facility. Wall magazines on the peer team visit day. Every department must have wall magazine with QR code at the entrance and on current event. Library, NSS, NCC, all departments at the entrance they should be there. At the entrance of library also, job opportunities on that in that particular week, whatever may be there. Then department video is to be taken. You just tell the video person that while entering the particular department, video of that nameplate should be taken, and then the peer team members are entering in that way. Otherwise, what happens, at random videos are given, and that will give rejection, remember, or that will give lower grade also. They want to see whether peer team members visited the proper department or not. Principal's room, principal cabin name, and then entering there. Video capturing is there. Generally, what is done? Some video maker, what does he do? He just put a screen on presentation screen there and goes outside. That should not be there. What principal is telling, what peer team members are telling in that conversation, that particular video clip that should be sent to NAC office. So you have to prepare video with this sense. Every department, every principal, IQC, everywhere, that part you must have. Then every laboratory, library, whatever it may be, everything, cleanness that should be there. Everything should be in proper place. Every facility that should be with proper place and cleanness that should be there. Then display board, I told you, wall magazine, they should be perfect. Prospectus, college prospectus of 5 years, you keep with you. Principal should give. They will ask, you are presenting last 5 years record, so 5 years prospectus you must have. One brochure also, yearly courses that you have done. Suppose 50 courses, 80 courses, 100 courses with separation, value added 10, soft skill 5, job oriented 13. In that manner, separation and total 100 courses in 5 years. That type of brochure that should be given with principal name, course coordinator name, and course objective and outcome taken of that type. That is, while giving the marks, we peer team members, we see all these things and we write in the report. Remember that. So all these things, they should be there. If doctor is there on college campus, no problem. Doctor should be on college campus. They should be on call, or they should have one room there also, medical facility. That is very important. I told you presentations, they should be, principal should present himself with operator and he himself, and all departments should do in that manner. Actually, new peer team visit, there may be some change, but general in this way it goes on. First day, first presentation of principal, it will be there for 1 hour. After that, heads meeting will be there. Coordinator will introduce, and in that head of the department meeting, peer team member will ask about highlights of your department. Then do not say at random. You make a meeting, you have a meeting with you, that suppose electronic department have good result, they will tell about good result only. If computer department has good placement, they will tell about good placement only. Do not tell at random all the things one by one. Whatever you are having nicely good one from SSR, you cover all those things by all heads among yourself. Then thereafter, departmental visits are there. At the entrance of the department, do not shake hands with the peer team members. General tendency is there, we shake hand with them. I am professor so and so, we call. Nobody is professor unless appointed by university. Otherwise, they will ask when the meeting, when you have been upgraded to professor. Every newly appointed will say that I am professor so and so. You just say I am faculty member in this, head of the department in this department. One rose, one flower you can give each of them, say namaste or good morning, good evening in that way. And when they enter your department, remember that wait for 2 to 3 minutes whether they ask something. Otherwise, every faculty member in that department should speak 2 to 3 lines of highlights of the department. If 3 persons are there, 3 persons distribute 10-15 sentences among themselves, and they will distribute those sentences, and they will speak one by one by taking pause for their some reaction. In that way you go on. Otherwise, they are keeping mum, you are keeping mum, they are going here and there, you are going behind them here and there. That thing should not be there. All the time, remember, they are testing you. They will not speak, but whether you are speaking or not, they will test. So that's why I'm suggesting, if you want, I can have mock visit. I'm in Pune only. That mock visit will give so many problems, they are solved. 50% work is done by sending the report, but 50% work, fill in the gaps, it will be in mock visit. All these things, what type of questions asked to faculties, to students, to teachers, to alumni, to parent, everything I give in that student interaction and all those things. You will find one thing, you are telling to student, teacher, alumni, parent, everybody, good thing of the college. But there are some techniques with peer team members. They will take some student in the corner on the ground, and they will tell that student that if you become the principal of this college, which 3 things you will do for the first time. That student, as if he is a principal, that there are no books in the college. There is no internet facility in the college. Everything he will expose. In parent meeting also, parent will expose everything. So I will do, make a KYC, make orientation of all. Everybody take the peer members, they have some googlies. In cricket, googlies are there. So we peer members also have some googlies. We ask individually some parent outside or some student in the corner in that manner. And they will expose the are not told to them, but that's the reality. Before writing the report, they will ask to the principal and parent also whether this is true or not. You have to show the evidences. Otherwise, that is written in the report. Some principals call me on phone call and says, "I have shown everything good, but they have not received A grade, we have received B grade." But there are some things of this type. In faculty presentation also, when they come to your department, they will ask about student-centric activity, about faculty, the thing only in this, what is your PhD holder or not, what type of research paper, books written. One more thing, seriously, I want to tell, if in the college, if you are having some research of the type which is used from paper to people and lab to lab, it is used for removing the diversity of some area. It is used by some government agency. If some industry is using your project, you tell that that is very important, that research paper to people and lab to land, that should be exposed by the principal and concerned faculty member, concerned department in the presentation. So all these things you keep in mind. For principal, IQC and department PPT, I shall give the main points at the end. Generally, there is a tendency of writing faculty members when they ask what are your activities, they tell about themselves. About yourself, you tell only your research paper, PhD holder in that way. What type of innovative thing you have done? Otherwise, student-centric, job placement, paper placement, in that way you have to go. Competitive exam guidance, in that way you have to go. I had been to a college in West Bengal some 4 years, 5 years back. I asked a faculty member in interaction of the meeting, what is your work, what you have done? He was saying something, 1 or 2 lines, and then he was telling, I was in Delhi for 3 months, I was in Calcutta, I was in London for 1 month. Then I asked to the principal when he was there in the college. The principal told that he was out of the college 8 months. Then how do you complete the CIB? And other thing, they become 90% you are telling good thing, but such 10% will not give you a higher grade, it will lower down the grade. That's why I told you in the beginning that skill potential is required, how to say, how much to speak. Knowledge is required for what to write and what to speak. Wisdom is required for what not to write and what not to speak. Keep in this in mind all the time. ICT technology, every faculty member should say about ICT technology. Whatever technology I have told just now, latest technology, every department should say the latest technology that you are using. That is very important. Now you have taken in SSR, you have taken all those things. You might have written. Now before PPT working, you just take some Skype. If some student is working in London, in foreign country, or in better company, you take Skype on mobile, take URL link, and principal and concerned should have Skype of that particular student, and he should say in that manner that I was in this college 3 years back, 4 years back, I am working in London, this particular company. Some 2, 3, not more. Samples you have to give. Same thing you are repeating. Do not repeat the thing. So that should be projected very nicely. I have to do collaboration, MOU linkages, that also you have to do very nicely. One more thing I want to tell, if you want to do, you can do it. In IQAC actually it is responsible for planning, monitoring, and record keeping all academic activities in the college. Area of participation, you might have done it. Administrative academic audit, achievements and awards, efforts for placement and career guidance in that way. Stakeholders meeting, alumni meetings. In fact, for alumni, you might have written there, college is having functional registered alumni contributing to the development of the college in financial manner and non-financial manner. IQC should explain in this presentation of that type. One quality audit should be taken by IQC. Quality initiative should be taken by IQC. I may tell you one thing now, if you have not done earlier, having that quality audit pro forma. You can have that 10-page document is there, quality audit. Every year you have to IQC new methodology is mentioned. After academic and administrative audit, with some agency you must have, some quality initiative programs you must take every year. And functional MOU, that's very important. So suppose your PRT members, if they are coming in the month of July, then you can have one activity in the month of May or in the month of June with that particular association. I will give that, and you can say that in June only, in last month only, we have done with this MOU this activity. This is functional. In last month we have taken, that will enhance your grade. One agency is there. That agency have taken me as my competent authority. After long deliberation due to my work in All India, they insisted to take that. So I am a competent authority of that agency. That agency name is Seshadri Globally Educational Competency Technique, SGECT. Just you want to register with them. After registration, they will give a letter to you and to me also. I will be the competent authority for all the signatures in your college. Also, I will give. Innovative course, so many courses are there. Innovative course I can give. Some quality initiative program where for efforts for placement or coaching for competitive exam you are taking in this month or in June, in the month of June, your college board in association with SGEC perform that, take my signature online, and you show that particular thing. Recently you have done. That agency, you can have registration. I told you their email ID is ambaisheshadri@gmail.com. Principal should send a letter. We want to, IQC wants to have this initiatives and quality audit for that. Make registration, everything I shall do. So all those should be taken by IQC in that way. So whatever I am telling you, you just keep in mind all the things very seriously. Now I shall read the point required in principal's presentation. In principal presentation, do not go details about that manner words. To the point you must have. And marks are given to these points. You pick up to that. First point is mission. The second point, staff profile. In that staff profile, faculty profile, total number, PhD holders, research papers, book published, patents, if they are there, patents, and received, consultative received in that way. Then academic programs in the college, courses, web-based courses, self-designed courses, online courses, that record you have to explain. Innovative student-centric activity and ICT technology use, that I told you, that you have to explain in experimental manner, participative manner, teaching methods, and all those systems that you have taken, slow learner, advanced learner, mentor, mentee, in that way. Institution at a glance, In that infrastructural part, you just give and support facility. Only that much. Activity related to industries, that is very important. Then empowerment of the college activity to teachers, to students community, committees, the student representative is taken, powers are empowered them in different manner, participative decentralized management is there, governance, communication, that part you must have, all related that activity I told you in that manner. Then sports, cultural, social, academic activities conducted and participated, that type of record, achievements, awards, and placement record, previous NAC recommendation and compliance, if it is there, in that manner you have to give. And activities related to 7.1 criteria regarding gender, energy audit, all those rainwater harvesting, all those 7.1 criteria part, locational advantage, locational disadvantage, community related activities, all those things you have to take. Then explain 2 best practices with nice languages in that manner. Last 7.3 question, institutional distinctive. What written I don't know, but in fact the proper way is you have to take one point of your vision mission and you have to explain your distinctiveness performance for that point of vision and mission. So stick up that also in presentation. Last but one is SWOT analysis. Principal should give strength 3-4 points on strength, 1 or 2 point in weaknesses, 3-4 point in opportunities, and challenges 1 or 2. Not too lengthy in the manner. In future plan also, you must give future plan in a nice manner, and you must do some work for that future plan. Do not write for the writing purpose. Next future plan, 5-year future plan, 10-year future plan. In that way, you have to explain and what thing you have proceeded, what thing you have done regarding that. That you have to explain. So all such things they should come in principal presentation. In IQC presentation, remember, first point should be IQC committee with date of formation, meeting of IQC with minutes and decisions taken. If you are earlier, you are sent dates, you have to write quality initiatives and quality assurance strategies you are taken with the agency also. And planning, monitoring, and record keeping, online academic monitoring system, ICT technology use, all these things you must have. For record, you have to give. Academic audit, quality audit, participation in NIRF, that part you have to write. Then quality enhancement techniques, quality initiatives earlier, quality enhancement and quality sustenance that you are doing. Fulfillment of recommendation of last match, you have to write carefully with principles accordance in that manner you have to take. Meeting parent teacher association, their suggestions, improvement regarding that. Prominent alumni that you have to explain with functional registered alumni, functional MOU collaboration linkages you have to give, industry related activities, projects, related activities, efforts for student progression, placement, coaching for competitive exam, academic activities for all faculties, participation, conduction in the college, methods of learning outcomes, you have to explain, evaluation methods, and student progression to higher studies to give. Admission awards of the college, and perspective plan, future plan. That will be given by the principal. You do perspective future plan for next NAC cycle, 5 years, yearly plan you have to give. So in that way, IQ should have all these points. And for department, I'm telling you, the department is giving again vision mission. Not you, only principal will do vision mission. Because department vision mission is not different. It is same as principal. Department should give only your name, then profile, faculty names, their work, as I told you, courses run, then skill oriented, job oriented with names, identification of slow learner, advanced learner system, how much you are doing, explain that. Curriculum planning, teaching learning methods, ICT technology, explain teaching learning evaluation methods. Then student support program as grievance redressal cell, guidance for competitive exam, placement cell. In that manner, you have to explain. Academic activities conducted for faculty in the department, for student in the department, and deputation of both of them outside. That you have to explain. Then academic activities such as industrial visit, field visit, projects, expert guidance talks, vocational education training, experiential training that you have to give. Subject social activity you have to give. Student progression every year you have to explain. Collaboration MOU linkages done by the department. Seminar, webinars, online sessions taken. Interdepartmental activity, interdisciplinary project. Prominent Aluminium placement you have to give with Skype and all those technology used. Special photo gallery and videos, they should be displayed in the department. Prominent Aluminium placement and achievement. Exclusive outcome you have to give. In the laboratory, in each department, you are having some equipment, not general equipments, only innovative, some rare equipments and all those things you have to explain. In SWOT analysis and future plan also, you see principal SWOT analysis and future plan, and according to that you prepare. Be short, 1 or 2. Now, do not give length, because there are so many questions they will be asked to department and you will be in trouble. And in each future plan, you have to explain what are you, what thing you have done. Suppose you told that our future plan is taking PG courses next year. Then have you given letter to the principal? Have PG program in your college? Have you given to principal that letter that you have to show? In that manner, you have to just see all the things. Then, as far as office is concerned, I'm telling you, you give importance to these files. You make box files of all of them for office record. Admission related 5 years only. Audit statement, internal external audit, performance appraisal, service books, salary statement, stock register, purchase committee meeting record, government scholarship record, e-governance, resource mobilization of funds apart from government grants and all those things, and utilizations of all those grants, paperless administration system with principal, staff and student, decentralized and participative, frictionless working system for staff. That means non-teaching staff with teaching and non-teaching staff with student. There are a lot of questions asked for non-teaching staff regarding your relation with student and staff, and same vice versa. Like questions, there are so many. I cannot tell here those questions. Then all sanction letters that you must maintain starting the college by government first year, that letter. Then from time to time different letters from UGC, university and government and any sanctioning authority, that box file with all sanctioning letters, appointment letters, everything that should be there. So in office should be complete those things. I shall now the typical point, very typical point. You should take care of that. Student enrollment to add-on certificate courses. Courses with experiential training, project work, field work, internship. Students undertaking project work, field work, internship. Then awareness of COs, code of conduct and core values. Grants from government agency, non-government agency, research projects. Percentage of departments having research projects funded by government and non-government agency. Seminars, conferences, workshop conducted. International conference, national conference, state level conference, university and regional level workshop seminars. Students percentage of participation in all activities in the college campus. Collaboration linkages for faculty exchange, student exchange, internship, field trip, on-job training, research quality, research projects. In that way. Functional MOUs, frequent updation of IT facilities. Just see, these are very crucial points. Scholarship, freeship given to students by college or NGOs or by businessmen in the form of prizes, whatever it may be. Percent of students benefited by guidance for competitive exam every year. You have written in SSR. Funds received from non-government agency or individual philanthropics. Transferred mechanism for timely redressal of student grievances. Anti-harassment done effectively in that manner. Participative decentralized management. Faculty development program. Participative face-to-face, online, offline. Then the entrance exam qualifying students, how many are there? How many efforts you have taken? Then professional development and administrative training programs. Student participation in all committees. Sports, academic, cultural activities conducted in the college. IQC initiatives of the IQC committee. Case study, event analysis, situation analysis done in that manner. Financial support given to faculties for attending conferences or membership fees in that manner. To explain the decentralized and participative management by giving some examples. All these things, they are very important in crucial manner. Whatever I want to tell, I have told you. To keep in mind that you have to identify local needs and seeds of the potential of your neighboring area. This is the period of misinformation and over-information. So avoid misinformation and over-information in facing purity. The world is changing. Do not change the face, it will create problem. But face the change, it will give career advancement. This Lord Krishna is my idol. At the top, I have taken that. That Lord Krishna is best event manager at that time. It was Mahabharat. Now I say this is NAC Mahabharat. And everything you have to plan as if event manager as Lord Krishna done in Mahabharata. Every department has to plan accordingly and implement that. So do not change the fate, but fate change, it will create problem. You will find that the concept now is living to learn and learning to live. Learned people are important, but learning people are more important. Now all educational institutes, they are becoming economic engines. Arts, commerce colleges also, they are becoming economic sectors. They are having impact beyond the college boundaries. So you have to think out of the box, out of the syllabi for development of the student, development of the college, and development of the community also, neighboring community, in digital, harbor, and spiritual manner. For that purpose, it is very necessary. You will be knowing or not, I don't know. There is no annual exam system in all world. In different countries, the exam system is 8 months exam system is there. Every month 25% on campus, what student is doing, social activity, 25% classes, 20% home assignment, and 25% community activity. In that way, that student judgment is done, evaluation of learning outcome is done. In India, only that is annual pattern that is going to publish now in new methodology. There are so many new systems are coming. Some of them, they are implemented in new methodology. This methodology, but when new education policy is coming, thereafter in 2023 again new framework coming, and in that framework, remember we had a meeting in NAC office in some 5 months back. At that time, remember the new methodology will have 1 hour to 1 hour to 1 hour in that way daily working of the staff members and students on the college campus. Now something you fabricate, some record you create, but at that time that is not done. It cannot be done in fact way. No record will be fabricated, no false record will be created in that new education policy. Even I am saying you that is implemented in some states. I have given guidance talk in all states of India. Going to their colleges also, seminar workshop there, and giving webinars also. 900 plus talks. In some states, you will find that the system is still going on like that new education system that is going to come. That if suppose some faculty member is on leave, he is not in the college, but he should inform to the authority within 15 minutes where he is. Even though he is on leave, and that information goes to director of higher education of the government. So every online system will work in that manner. So nobody is having chance to move here and there. So that's why I'm telling you, every faculty member use their dimension. Use your dimension to get higher grade. Your college brand will be established. NAC grade will be the byproduct of that. I will give you one simple example, and I shall stop with the share here. That simple example is in this manner. They were having 17 peacocks in the forest. They want to distribute. Elder brother wanted 50%. Second brother wanted third part. A third brother wanted 9th part. That cannot be done 17 by 2. One proactive mindset. NAC was not there at that time, but he wanted to do some community work. He was having 1 peacock. He came to these 3 brothers, added his peacock to 17. It became 18 peacock. Elder wanted 50%, 18 by 2, 9 peacocks given, 18 by 3, 6 peacocks given, 18 by 9, 2 peacocks given to third brother. Their distribution is done very well. 9 plus 6 plus 2, 17 peacocks of brothers. He has taken his one peacock out and gone to another community. Your madam have called me for this meeting to bring my peacock. Principal yesterday called me for testing the webinar, and he also might have called that bring my peacock. I brought my peacock. I am not here for distribution of anything, but I am telling you, use your dimension now. For that purpose, for facing peer team, everybody must have two mobiles with them, not pocket mobile. Mind mobile and brain mobile with proactive mindset. With proactive mindset, you work with dynamic nature, as I told you in the beginning, with creativity, with innovativity, you will get good grade. I shall tell one share and I shall stop. NAC के लिए अच्छा ग्रेड मिले ना मिले, ये तो मुकद्दर की और आपके एफर्ट्स की बात है, मगर उसके लिए जी जान से कोशिश न करना ये गलत बात है. थैंक यू वेरी मच.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank
Vandana
you
madam.
very much, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, Dharmadhikari, sir, shall we take some questions?
Yes, you can.
So
You can-
participants, if there are any questions, we can take few questions for next 5 minutes. Please put your question in the question answer box. Or if the participant wants to ask the question, they can raise the hand. We can unmute them and they can ask the question. Chetan, sir?
Yes, madam.
If madam, one thing, madam.
Yes,
Madam.
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
If somebody is not having questions now, I will give my mobile number. They will ask me before 10 o'clock or after 6 o'clock. My mobile number is 7276 375820, 72 76 37 58 20, or last 10 also. So anybody can ask before 10 o'clock or after 6 o'clock, but I will be involved in day work somewhere.
Okay, sir. Even, sir, your mobile number is given on the brochure of the event, which we have
Okay,
shared with
okay.
all the participants. They can
Okay.
also contact from that. Okay, so we will move on to the end of the session. I would like to thank
Hello.
Dharmadhikari, sir. Yes, sir.
In chart, there are 2-3 questions. What is
Okay.
the difference between value-added program and capability enhancement program?
Value-added program that will give you ethical values, moral values, national values, and capability enhancement program that is job related, placement related capability, capacity development.
Okay, thank you, sir. One more question. Please shed some light on restriction on activities due to Corona.
Online activities they should be there. In fact, online activities, webinars, they should be more. You are taking online classes, but some social activities also must perform during this Corona period, like impact of lockdown period on education system, on parents, on students, on colleges also, impact of that. You can have some surveys, some projects in neighboring area. So do not give sanitizer or mask to some community or 10,000 rupees as a help, but with the hospital MOU, you just you adopt some village and identify the patients there or take the test there in that way and cure them with the hospital MOU. So in that manner, something should be taken. And Corona situation in India, Corona situation in Pune, Corona situation in Maharashtra or international level, and remedies, all those things can be taken in the form of what do you say, awareness lecture, guidance talk, or webinar talk in that way.
Okay, one more question, sir. What is difference between linkage and MOU?
telling you that MOU means it is a document, it is a paper signed by two heads of the institute. Linkage means you have to write there, this MOU is done for the linkage. And what that linkage? Student exchange, one MOU. Faculty exchange, another MOU. For webinar activity, third MOU. For social activity, fourth MOU. In that MOU means document. Linkage you have to write there. And collaboration, that word, it comes for, that collaboration may be for one activity, 1 year activity, 5 year activity, that means.
Yeah, thank you, sir. Madam, you can take, or no more questions I can see.
Yes, sir. So, Dharmadhikari sir, we would like to thank you for your detailed explanation for each and every point required for the preparation of peer team visit. The suggestions given by you were really apt and relevant for this particular situation. You also explained us from the technology point of view what is expected from engineering institutes. That was the major focus that we would like to take from your session. And certainly the implementation of all the suggestions given by you will help all the institutes to secure higher grades in NAC visits. So this was very nice and lucid session, sir. So thank you so much for your valuable time sparing with us, and we will definitely get the benefit of your suggestions in the recent visit that will be done by the NAC peer team. Now I would like to also express my vote of thanks to the management of All India Shri Shivaji Memorial Society. I like to thank Honorary Sri Malojiraje Chhatrapati, Secretary AISSMS, for his consistent support in organizing such quality enhancement events. I thank our principal, Dr. P.B. Mane, for his valuable guidance and encouragement throughout. I thank all the members of IQAC, all the teachers, and all the participants all over India for making this event a success. I thank all, and once again, thank you all.
Dharmadhikari sir, thank you. Thank you once again. Thank you all for participating. Thank you, sir.
Feedback link is available in the chat section. Please give your valuable feedback, and this will also enable you to get e-certificate. Will be available in the session for next 10 minutes if you have any questions on the feedback or the certificate. Thank you.